Hey everybody, I'm going to start off some basil. Now you'll know that in a previous video, I tried to start some basil off on my own from some seeds that I had harvested last fall, and none of them have worked. So I decided to buy these. I actually bought these last Wednesday. We had 3 days of ice storm. We had a really bad ice storm and I had no power for 3 entire days. It was not fun. Anyway, I'm back online and ready to go. So we're going to try these out. These are brand new seeds. And I'm just going to get some in my hand here and do a little test and see what's going to happen with these. So as you know, I harvested some of these from plants I had last year, and not one of them germinated. Really strange. I don't know why. But I'm going to try these out and see what happens here. So I've got a bunch. I'm not going to bother counting them. Just spread them out a little bit, and hopefully some of these start off. So there we go. That's just tap water that I've soaked this little paper towel with. We'll just fold it over, pop it into our little baggie. So I'm counting this as day number 1 for germination. And then just make 100% sure that you close this down. You want to make sure that all the moisture stays inside that little baggie. So there we go. So this is day number 1. Let's hope that we have some success with this. So that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one.